Okay, because it is already 2:30, I need to start. All the rest are not here. Today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There should be 8 of you today. Usually they are a bit late. They will stream in, yeah, after lesson has started. But we normally have about 2 or 3 who are very early. So today, I don't know what happened to them. So right now, I only have you, but I don't know whether you can hear me. So I will need to start. Currently, I have no response from you as well. So I really hope you can hear me. Okay, if not, then I'll be talking to like, the wall. Okay, I think I have somebody coming in as well. Charlene. Hi, Charlene. Oh, Kylie, right? Yeah, can you hear me? Okay, good. Yeah, because we have Adam here as well, but I'm trying to reach Adam, but I got no response at all. So I really don't know whether he can hear me or not. Yeah. So anyway, the rest are still not here. So we will still get started. It is time. So let me get into my screen, yeah. Okay. All right. So there we have it. Okay. So I think like what I was telling you last week, Teacher Bern has moved into what we call fractions for this week. So for this week, the fractions part will be quite easy. What we will be doing is we will need to understand numerator and denominator, equivalent fractions, comparing and ordering fractions, and so on. Okay, so after that, we will look at some word problem solving using the branching method. So if you have not been doing branching method, then what we need to do is we will have to practice. Okay, we will practice the branching method. All right. Okay, so the first few questions are actually very basic. Kylie, I know you are able to write. So since it's just you and Adam, and Adam, I really cannot hear you, and I don't know whether you are still here. So Kylie, maybe you can just solve this question for me first. Can you? Yeah. Wow, very good. And you're able to type. That is correct. Okay, good job. Okay, so how do we do this type of question? Of course, quite basic. We just need to count. So okay, I need to put my face somewhere else. I'm blocking myself. Okay, so we need to count the number of triangles. Then we need to count the number of shaded triangles. And of course, from there, we will be able to put the shaded as the numerator, and then of course the total as the denominator. All right. Okay, somebody is coming in. So let's see who is coming in now. City. Okay, I see a city here. Hi, City. Okay, I don't know whether can you hear me? Nabil. Okay, hi, Nabil. Okay, so it's Nabil. All right, let's move on to question 2 now. Okay, so far, Nabil and Kylie, both of you are the ones I'm quite sure I can hear you and you can hear me. So since there are only 2 of you, and then Adam is very quiet, I cannot reach him. So maybe the 2 of you can help me with this question. Firstly, I need to clean away that answer. Okay, yes. All right. So maybe both of you can just write 1% on the left, 1% on the right. Let's try to get your answers. Okay, Nabil has written half. Kylie is cutting. Okay, let's see how Kylie continues. Okay, he's cutting there as well. Okay, Kylie has cut 3 crosses. Now, Kylie, after you cut 3 crosses, okay, he's cutting another line there. Okay, all right. Okay, so you have another line there, and what else? Okay, good job. I think what you have now, they are all equal parts. Okay, so if they are all equal parts, Kylie, what is your answer? Okay, good job. Adam, just now I managed to see your name appearing, so I think you are trying to write. Can you try to annotate and see whether you're able to do it? Oops. Oh, now what happens? Okay, wait, now hang on. Okay. I don't know how this happened, but I'm trying to come back on screen. Oh, okay. Okay, just give me a moment. I think I need to stop sharing for a while first. I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay, hang on. I'm going to try. I'm going to try opening again. Now I have a problem opening it. Okay. And where am I now? Give me a moment. Okay, I need to try my screen sharing again. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. It has been okay. I don't know what is wrong today. It gives me a lot of problems. Okay, so just now, okay, Kylie, after you have managed to cut this, right? What is your answer? I can remember Nabil's answer as half. So I need to know your answer as well. Your answer is half as well. Okay, good job. So both of you are correct. Okay, both of you are correct. So let's just see, yeah. Okay. Now, Kylie, you have actually cut into more parts than this. Actually, just with 2 lines is already good enough. You know why? Just by that 2 lines, we already have equal triangles. You need not cut anymore, you know. But of course, when you cut some more, it makes no difference. It's just that you have even more smaller pieces, okay? But you will still get half as the answer, all right? Okay, I think we have 4 people in already. So now okay, let's go on. Okay, when I cut it this way, I actually have 12. Just now when Kylie cut it that way, he has total 24, right? Yeah, because it was double of all this. So anyway, our answer is half. Okay, we now look at our third question. Okay, so third question, let's get all of you to participate. Okay, Kylie, Nabil, can you all just give your answers first? And I need to see who else is there because I cannot see. Okay, I have a Cash V 3017E. I don't know who that is. Okay, Kylie has kindly cut the diagram. Very good job, Kylie. Okay. Okay, Nabil has given us the answer 5 out of 8. Well done as well. Okay. Kylie tells us that, okay, 16 is it? Let's count 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16 parts, correct, 16 parts. Okay, shaded 10 parts. Therefore, okay, well done. All right, good job. Okay, both of you are correct. So Kylie and Nabil, you all have no problems with this. Okay, so if that's the case, let's just move on. 5A is the answer. Okay, so now we have one more question. Let me just clean away. Okay. All right. Which one of the following is nearest to 1? So the thing is, we must know how to go about solving this. Anyone would like to volunteer to explain to us? Anyone? You can raise your hand so that I can see who you are. Oh dear, you are very shy. If you are very shy, then everybody do, okay? Okay, everybody, you can just give me the answer. You can just write down the answer. All right. So we are looking for the one that is nearest to 1. Nearest to 1. Kylie has given us A. Okay, what about the rest? Just now that Cash, you are actually Sai. All right, welcome. What about Nabil? Nabil, have you got your answer? And Adam, have you got your answer? Okay, Nabil is writing. G. Oh, different. Okay, different answer. All right. Let's see who else. Adam and Sai, have you all got the answers? Okay, I think somebody is typing in the chat. So let me go into the chat. Sai types in the chat B. Okay, so we have Sai and Nabil, both are B. We have Kylie A. Okay, so Kylie has actually worked out everything in decimal. Okay, so Kylie, since you have worked everything out in decimal, what we can do is we can draw a number line, right? We can draw a number line, and then 1 is actually like, that is the one we are looking for. Then, of course, we have 1.25, which is on the right side, 1.25. And then on the left side, we have like 0.8, 0.82. Okay, so I think it's something like that. 0.82 will be here. 0.8 will be here, right? Correct? Okay, so Kylie, based on the 3 numbers that you gave us, right? Which one is nearest to 1? Because you have to actually figure out how far away it is from 1, isn't it? So is your answer still A? Is your answer still A? Kylie? You have changed. Yes, your answer is B, yeah? Okay. Now, children, this is just one way of doing, but actually, do you know that the PSLE way is not like that? Actually, the PSLE way is for you to figure out the gap. So let me just quickly show you what it means by filling out the gap. What we want to do is actually to calculate. Okay, let me get my pen. I just changed to eraser. Where's my pen now? Okay, so what we need is to figure out how far away 1 is from the rest. So like the first one, 4/5 is smaller than one whole, right? So you look for the gap 1 minus 4/5. You will get 1/5. The next one is 5/6, but 1 is still bigger. So you take 1 minus 5/6. You will get 1/6. The last one is 1 whole and 1/4. This is bigger than 1. So you take 1 whole and 1/4 and minus 1, and you will get 1/4. So basically, at PSLE, this is the approach that we generally will take. And when you make use of this method to solve, right, you will find that after you do your subtraction, right, you will get all the gaps that are something like 1 out of something. So it's like 1 out of 5, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 4. And from here, you will be able to look for the smallest fraction. The smallest fraction will tell you that that is the answer, okay? So the smallest fraction is 1 out of 6. That is the answer, okay? That's the smallest gap, all right? Okay, so let's move on to our next question. So we have another question that is similar, okay? It's similar, so we can have all of you to try. All right,